honestly, more often than not, if you do a job where there's lots of things on the table thing, it just goes wrong. This seems to have printed now. Oh, they are attached. That's good. There's a few snotty bits, but we are attached. But attached correctly. Not bad. So there's a knob, multicoloured knob, multicoloured button. This is the 2800 controller thing. But yeah, I had some filament. This filament's not great, so I'm shocked that this has come out pretty good. Looks like I've got the Z-axis about right. So yeah, this is tree support. Right, that's still attached. I'm going to move these. Right, here we go. Look good. Yay! It's organic. It's orgasmic. That's actually worked out well for this magic filament. So yeah, all of this peels off. One-handed. Yeah, it looks like that stuff peels okay. It's worth it just for this stuff. Yeah, I could edit the video. You're right. Well, that's come apart really, really well. Wow. I just want that bit. That's ace. Well, there ain't a lot wrong with that. There's a few snotty bits, but I ran this at 100mm per Thursdays. Really? Nice. Wow. Yeah. Thanks, Tony, by the way, because you sent me the files. This is one of these things I've been meaning to do, and I haven't done it. And it's all the best camera work. Yeah. Honestly, that stuff is noisy. Ta-da. One-handed action. Don't Google that. Didn't that come apart well? Just roughly assembled because, you know, I haven't even got the PCB. But yeah, I'm loving my knob. Multicoloured knob action. That is ace. But yeah, this was just a throwaway print really, but it's come out far better than I thought. There is a little bit of snot in the corners that's stopping these closing without Stanley being involved. But yeah, I'm shocked how well that's come out. Anyway, I think it's Lee's Workshop that did the design for these. I will have to check. But yeah, another project that I haven't got time to finish, but cool, right? Bye.